All right, moving on to our next problem that we've got here. An orange has a diameter of 12 centimeters. What is its volume? So we're trying to find the volume of an orange. An orange is a sphere, so I know I'm going to use my sphere volume. Volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So in order to solve this, I need to find my radius. Now my problem doesn't tell me the radius, it tells me the diameter. So I know the diameter is equal to 12, which means that my radius is going to be half that, because if my diameter, which is the full length, is 12, my radius, which is half of that, is going to be just 6. So I've got a radius of 6. So now let's go ahead and multiply this out. Volume equals 4/3 pi times 6 cubed. Go back to my trusty graphing calculator here again, and I've got 6 raised to the 3rd power is 216. So volume equals 4/3 times pi times 216. Now I'm going to reorder these just like I did in my last problem. So my volume equals 4/3 times 216 times pi. Now let's multiply 4/3 times 216, and that gives me 288. So my volume equals 288 pi. So if I was writing in terms of pi, then I would be done, but it's just asking me for the volume, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply this by pi. So if I multiply this by pi, let's go ahead and multiply it, times 3.14 gives us 904.32. Volume equals 904.32. But 904.32 what? What are we measuring this in? And if I go ahead and look here, I can see that my unit was in centimeters. So my 904.32 centimeters. And I have centimeters cubed because it's once again volume. So the volume of this orange is 904.32 centimeters cubed.